Okay, so welcome. Morning everyone. So let's put this all off. Good morning. Morning everyone. So let's get this up and running. So, welcome. Wow, yesterday was interesting, guys. Who got slapped in NY? I wonder who many people got slapped with that news. Good morning, Vietnam. Good morning. So, let me just put this on over here. Yeah, good morning. Morning. So, when we're getting started over here, we'll start to have a look. The first thing that we've got to do, though, is check for the news. So, today, the news, got some Euro news here. It's French bank holiday. We have some Bank of England news at 9:30. Credit condition survey, yeah, that'll be quite interesting because it's correlated with spending and confidence, so that'll be interesting to see. But that's at 9:30, so it should be okay for the time being. US news at 1:30, that's okay. FOMC members speak, so a little bit of news today, not the biggest amount of news, which is okay. Let's look at Friday, 1:30 as well. Yeah, so it's actually not too bad today. It's not too bad. Looking like Asian session pushed up GJ quite a lot. Yeah, the start of Asian we've moved up like 100 pips pretty much. Yeah. So interesting. Already moved up 100 pips. We'll see if we can continue that. So let's get into this analysis over here. So the weekly time frame, got 2 days left. Looking like we have made lower wicks and we've actually flipped the weekly now. Interesting. We know overall we're bullish on GJ. We're finally. Which is nice to see, and yeah, so if we went over here and draw our daily line, sorry, not the daily line, this is the weekly, 1 second. So yeah, the daily time frame looks like price has rejected these lows at 161.860 or 162 level right there. Look at that, 162 flat. Now we've made an extra support, so this is the first kind of support here that I made. An extra one, and now we're starting to push up, so looking nice for those little buys in Asian. They look pretty good, so let's put this on over here. Very nice. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour was also pretty good. So the 4-hour time frame here through Asian, 4-hour rejected the lows, came closed bullish, and then pushed up over here. So at the moment the 4-hour time frame has no bottom wick, so we know in the likelihood in the next 3 hours we're going to make a little bottom wick, which may actually happen soon. It's quite close. However, the first thing that we've got to know over here is that the 4-hour time frame, we are coming towards 4-hour resistance, which could be a little bit of a trouble. The distance to that level is like 10 pips, so it's really not far away, so got to be cautious with that. So probably buys above that would be much easier. Okay, let's take a look then. So on the hourly time frame, the last hourly candle closed bullish above, and there's a little minor resistance here at 164, which is another quarter point. We know that they're a pain in the ass to trade with. Let's take a look then at the 30 and the 15. So yeah, it's looking like the resistance is probably right here, 164, 142. Why did I pick that point? Well, because we have resistance here, we have support here. It's tapped that resistance again, and now it's tapped it again. So that is the main resistance right now, I'd say. Buys above there, would they be reasonable? Let's take a look. How far would the next zone be? Yeah, 30 pips, so that's actually not too bad. That is not too bad. So definitely buys above that area would be rather nice, I think. We'll put that on here. Yeah, so buys above 164144. Very nice. And for sells are gonna be, yeah, sells are gonna be hard, man. We are also at daily resistance here again, a little bit of minor resistance there. So look at the 4-hour time frame. Yeah. So taking a look at the lower time frames, it doesn't look too bad to fill this zone. However, the higher time frames, it looks a lot harder. Look at the 4-hour resistance. So I think for me personally, on that basis, I'm probably gonna have to wait for buys above the whole range. Because if we get buys above the whole range, we've got cleaner candles. Yeah. So I think I may have to wait for above here. Let's see how this looks like on the 4-hour time frame now. Yeah, that's much safer up there, I think. Much safer. So yeah, looking interesting, man. I think buys above would be nice. For sells are gonna probably happen. Yeah, probably below the hourly resistance here. So 163840. How does this look here? Yeah. So I think if you wanted sells to come back in this area, probably below here. To then fill back this range, fill the daily level, and to come back and fill this whole Asian range which is made. I think that'll be nice. So yeah, this is what we're looking at here for GJ. Very nice. Okay, let's take a look. EJ above 750 looks better than GJ Maxi. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Okay, so daily time frames pushing up. Very, very nice. We are about to break the high of the previous daily, which is nice to see. Looking like we are making some clear support. The 4-hour time frame as well has a little bit of a wick. The last one closed very, very strongly bullish, which is good to see. Good to see. The hourly time frame. Yeah, the hourly time frame is closed bullish. It's actually closed. I didn't really close bullish on this resistance, but that's okay. Let's take a look at the 30. Yeah. So, I mean, let's take a look to the left-hand side where resistance is. So you can see in the 30-minute we got resistance here. We've got resistance here. So, let's look on the 15 again. Yeah. So this level here is resistance. It's a 138760. Okay, so if we come to that level, there's 4 resistance there, but it's okay. So look at the daily. The daily looks much cleaner there. So yeah, I mean potentially buys above there I think would be rather nice, to be honest. Much easier. I think that'll be nice. Yeah, the left hand side's not really the nicest here, but I think with these clean candles here, it should be pretty good. So let me just mark this up. But because we've moved quite a lot through Asian, I think I'd want a little bit of a pullback first. So we'll have to probably wait above there as well. Ooh, let's just take a look at the chat over here. So, morning squad, hope everyone is doing well. Let's take a look over here. So, gold, yeah, I'm going to take a look at gold. I think a lot of people are interested with gold. But yeah, buys above on EJ would be nice, I think, later on. So, probably have to wait for that. Good morning, good morning. Let me just put this on.
Morning, Maxi. Morning, guys.
Good morning, good morning. Alright, so, just to look at the GJ.
What's up, bitches?
Oh my god, Philly boy.
Oh,
I thought you
yeah.
were at Ben's house.
I am.
No, what? You moved your PC and shit with it?
Yeah, I posted it.
That's fucking sick. You
It's called
posted
dedication.
it? Yeah, that is pretty good. That's pretty good. Right, okay, let's take a look at this Goldie. So overall still pretty bearish. We've got a first daily time frame that's closed kind of bullish. rejecting some lows. However, overall is still bearish, right? So that is okay. Daily's bearish. Just to look at the 4-hour time frame. A 4-hour time frame over here. Right. 4-hour time frame is bearish right now. Looking like we've came back up with this news. So the CPI drove it down and then started to launch back up, and now we're just in this little range over here. Take a look at the hourly time frame. Hourly time frame, we've got support at 1726.8. Look at the 30 and the 15. Yeah. So looks a little bit choppy to the left, to be honest with you, with the ranges. Right now we have our current level of support, which is right here. Oh shit. Let's look at that 4-hour. Yeah, so the 4-hour time frame is looking pretty good to continue down at some points. The only issue we have is clearing this area first, to 1723. 30-minute just closed bullish onto support. So yeah, I mean a closure below would be pretty good on the 15. To ride it back down to at least 1723. Now let's take a look on the basis of trend lines and stuff. Ooh. Everyone got a trend line from the lows. My only issue is that it's pretty horizontal on this line. That is the only issue for me. Let me take a look.
I think after a big move like that, you have to
Let it.
just use the last 10 candles or something.
Yeah.
And then you would,
Yep. For sure.
something like this.
I was looking at that gold trade.
Mm,
Shit. But I got the trend line a bit further to the left from that high, and then that whole down move even higher from that top point there on the left on the screen. And then to put it a bit tighter, so then this last downward move would be the retest of the trend line, forming a double bottom.
Interesting.
This could be a nice setup for a breakout. But
Yeah.
you have to watch out in what way it goes, because it will do a fake out on one of those lines first.
Yeah. For sure. GJ, EJ 4-hour barely have bottom wicks. It's probably flips. I like AJ for a sell if they close bearish. Okay. You like AJ for a sell? Ooh. AJ for a sell. Yeah, so look at the 4-hour now. Yeah, to be honest with you, all the JPY pairs are in a tough spot because they're all coming towards big resistances. And they've already ran 100 pips in Asian, to be honest, so they're not looking the best. Good morning. So, a couple of 15-minute time frames closing bearish, but yeah, I think sells below here is going to be much easier. 163,780 if you're looking for sells. We're still very bullish, really. So,
Max, just quickly go back to gold, if you can, please. I'm going to show you this trend line that I'm looking at is actually here. Oh, shit.
sorry, on a 5 or the 15?
There. See, so that would be the retest with the double bottom here. Go up again.
I see that, yeah. Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanted to get in on that because I saw the 15 closing bullish on that level, and then made the wick, and I wanted to get on that flip, but I wasn't too sure.
Yeah, after a big move like that, I mean, just, I need to realize how big this fucking move was. Look at this shit.
Yeah, and I was looking at the 4-hour, and at that level, it was 4 hours flipping bearish as well, so I wasn't too sure if I wanted to get into that.
Yeah.
Big trend line traders.
Yeah, boy. Oh, I'm annoyed that Asians fucking moved this. I tell you what I looked at it a couple weeks ago. the 4-hour time frame on GJ at 10 o'clock when it closes, so like this candle here, is normally amazing after if it breaks the highs or breaks the lows. I'll try and find some more examples. Look, another one there.
That's what I normally do as well at NYSE.
Yeah.
But you just gotta watch your SL, right? It can be a bit big sometimes, and you just leave it.
Yeah, so how big would that stop be? 48 pips. How much would it be on the flip here? 35. Like, it seems like every candle that I see, because I was looking through them, I was like, why is all the fucking 10 o'clock candles nice? Like, look, that one wasn't the best, to be honest. Never broke the high, though. Bearish. Next one followed. Let's take a look at some more. That one was a bit of a gap, that was shit. Yeah, interesting. So yeah, I always say that, especially when Asians like moved quite a lot. Just relax. You need to also remember that we're at 164. So yeah, 164 level. This could be a nice place for soup though if we do come below. I'm not gonna lie. So we'll see. Because right now I've broken the Asian highs. If we struggle in this area and we start coming back below, oh shit.
Yeah, but when the soup sweeps, then it's also like a 2 candlestick pattern. So this isn't that, right?
What do you mean?
So when Tom talks about the soup, it's normally like a fake out to the Asian highs.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a 2 candlestick pattern that just breaks above the highs and then rejects all the way, right?
But couldn't it be on the hourly? Because the hourly's done that. 1, 2.
Yeah, but it won't. It's like a proper fake out. It's just a 2.
Yeah.
So this is just bullish, right? This is.
Yep.
This should just continue going up.
Mm-hmm. I said that the 4-hour isn't the nicest for this crap, to be honest. Yeah, it's not the nicest. Where do you live now? I live in Leeds. Leeds. Gold heading down. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's hard, man. Take a look at the 30 and the hourly. So the 4-hour looks okay. The hourly looks good to continue down. Yeah, I have to wait for the 5 to close below. 9.1% inflation and gold dumped 200 pips as wild as fuck. 9.1% inflation. Oh my god. That is nasty. That is very, very nasty. Let's take a look over here. Yo bro, why did you move to Leeds? Just curious why you'd move away from Newcastle. I've been in Newcastle for a very long time and my lass lives in Leeds, so that was enough to come. I couldn't be asked to travel anymore, man. It was a pain in the ass. Travelling all the time. Travelling 2 hours to see your girlfriend. Ah, fuck that. I like Dogtail. Ooh, okay, 3 minutes left for this Goldie. Look at the 5 minute. Interesting. I don't really see a clear 5 minute trend line break for the downside, so yeah.
Gold is actually back in the zone. It had been stuck in for 2 days.
Yeah.
Pushed down yesterday, pushed back up, and now it's just in the same rangy zone.
Yeah, that's right. One Oscar actually is true. Do you have enough zone? Yeah, 1723 it does. So if this 5 minute closes and it wicks back up to 1726, you could take a sell there. Still loss could be there or there. Oh, that's quite big. That 24 pips. Oof. 24 pepperoonies. Yeah, that news yesterday. Did anyone get accidentally slapped on that? I know Dom was in the trade at that point, and if it saved him, but you had to be quick to get out. I saw a lot of people got slapped like 60 pips. We all watched it, and then we're like, "Oh my god, just fucking launched!" She was mad.
Yeah, that was crazy shit.
Yeah. Oh my god.
On the 15 pound yen, we're starting to come back into that range.
The what?
On the 15.
Mm.
I don't know if you marked that up as a support there, where the 4-hour flip is.
Yeah. A minor one there, you can put like this. I think with the 4 again. Yeah, it's just a little bit. I fucking hate taking buys in GJ. Unless I'm getting in lower, as we found out yesterday.
No.
I killed CPI today. Yes, I was slapped. Oh god, some people were slapped. I was to buy before news. Thanks, I didn't. Could have wiped out 10% of my account or more. Yeah, so official ins had a buy stop on goal. It definitely got fucking activated. We're like, holy shit.
Made my fucking day.
Oh my god, Brian. That was a madness. Oh
No,
my
she's
god.
a legend. Honestly, she's a legend.
Oh, EJ. So what do you mean though, that if you look at all these hourly time frames, you haven't had any sort of breather yet? A breather.
Check that rejection on GJ. Holy shit. Ooh, something's about to happen.
15 minutes left for the 30-minute to close. We'll see. Yeah. It's right at 164 level as well, guys. It's just a little bit time to wait, right? It's best time to do.
Yeah, we just need a decent confirmation.
Yes, sir. If you can get earlier, then that would be okay, but it'd have to be a nice area, because I'm just worried of this 4-hour resistance right there.
Also, that low we got on the 30.
Wait, what, Brian?
11 pips, but then.
Is Brian lagging out for everyone else?
Say again?
I can't know what he's saying.
You're
Really?
lagging
Yeah,
out a little bit.
sometimes.
Say it again, Brian.
I was saying on the 30-minute, the wick is too low to like take an impulse.
Yeah.
Because then to the support, you're going to get what 11 pips, and then to 750 is 16. So it could, but I just don't like if you were ready for an impulse, the wick on the 30 is too big.
Yeah. Agreed. Gold short 30-minute closure below. Could be okay. The 5-minute didn't come back up yet. Keep an eye on EG. Oh, the 15 closed below, above. Shit. The only issue is to look at the stops. 16 pips, not too bad. Everyone eyeing this up? Let's look at the 5. Oh, look at that 5-minute candle. Fuck. That's pretty juicy. I didn't even know we got a closure there. Let's take a look at the left hand side again. It's just this, man. I fucking hate it when like there's a range break and then there's just this traffic ass next to it. So if you got in here, stop loss below. 15 pips is okay. 15 pips is okay. Now, what do when you get breaks like this? You gotta manage pretty quickly. Okay. So take a look to the left. That wick is quite a good area. Look at the 5-minute. Yeah. That was nice. So managing this trade, because the 30 hasn't closed above, right? So that is the only issue. So for me, it'd be quite a quick break-even trade. So yeah, you'd probably break-even now. How much were you up by there? Let's take a look.
5.
5 pips. Yeah, I suppose you could leave it on a little longer.
I
It's
think
hard,
after
man.
we break these two
current high.
Mhm.
It's time to break even.
Yeah. Yep. Could be a decision. EJ gonna fake out? Maybe. We'll see. I do think that people may be saying that EJ's gonna fake out yet before it's faked out. It's, you're trying to predict something where you don't really have much confirmation, right?
Yeah, fake out, you only know when it's done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna fake out. The only reason why you've said that is because there's a little bit of resistance to the left or a little bit of traffic. You don't actually know, so that does not mean take a sell.
Yeah.
I used to try and do that all the time. Try and predict, where the resistance was gonna be and take a random sell like here. And the issue you have is you're just trying to, you're hoping that something's gonna happen. There's no confirmation.
Yeah, fake out means to be completed for it to be a fake out.
Yeah. So try and get out of that habit of, trying to guess what things are going to do, especially with these kind of fake out areas and resistance forming and stuff going, oh, it's going to have some resistance over here. Let's just take a sell right now. It's like, well, no, because, the left-hand side is a bit of resistance, but we haven't closed back below. We don't know it's a fake out yet until it's done. You don't know.
I'm in this EJ. A break even, it's literally just hovering around for 5 pips.
Yeah. Just got a 5-minute closure.
Oh, that 5-minute closure looks good.
Yeah.
Don't get tapped out by the wick, please.
Have you got it a break even, or are you just holding stops?
No, I'm at break even.
Yeah.
Because it was impulse, so when I got 4 to 5 pips, I went break even.
Yeah. That's fair.
Oh, come on. Fuck you, EJ.
Do what you did yesterday, man.
Check now, this thing flip and run. Watch.
Yeah.
Check. Oh, my fuck.
It's gone, boy.
Check that 5-minute candle just flip now and just go 10 pips. Yeah. Nice, EJ. Thanks a lot. There's the flip.
Look at that. Bye.
Fuck's sakes.
Nice.
Yes.
That's the worst. Mate, I just fucking tapped in a little bit on that fucking reflip. I'm not gonna lie.
That's fucking 10 pips right there.
Yeah.
I was thinking the same. I opened my.
I just got 10. Fuck yeah.
I just had a pin trade right there.
Oh, that was a shame. I got in fucking.
Unlucky as it's going.
I got in.
Oh, I should have just held it on.
Nah, man. I think he gave it enough time, man. I just thought if that reflips here, man, this motherfucker's gone.
Did you get in on the 5-minute flip?
Yeah. There.
Okay, well, that's reasonable as well.
Yeah.
Fuck you too, Brian.
You're in again, Tommy boy. Nice. Man, I see these trades too fucking quick. I can't call them out. Why didn't he just manage risk and move stop loss to below previous 5-minute instead of break even? Because I think in most scenarios like this, you would take a lot of drawdown if it came back down. It should have really gone there. You gave it enough time. Like if you look at the 1 minute, look, it fucking came up quite a bit.
Oh, I'm about to fucking.
Why don't you call out your trades? I've just told you, man. I just got in. I had about 2 seconds to fucking get into that trade. I'm not gonna.
It's called earbuds, guys. Clean them out.
Yeah.
Listen.
Literally. Don't worry, there's gonna be a nice trade. Like yesterday's trade when I did the EJ was called out nicely. GJ won as well. Don't worry about it. But them little ones there, man, you gotta be on the ball.
Yeah.
And my stop was
I got that when it broke its high, the previous high. Its own high, and I got in.
the same as me. Yeah.
Yeah. Its
Yeah.
own high, yeah.
So fucking salty about this.
Everyone, me and Brian got it, and the fucker even let execute first. That's the worst,
was
man. That's
saying-
the worst.
And I was thinking to like okay, it's not like the best thing to do, but I was break even. I was thinking just put it below the previous 5 minutes.
Yeah.
But no, I want to be.
Also, when I started trading, I used to do that, and it can build a bad habit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So rather just have the L, right, or the break even, and rather go for a re-entry. You know what I mean?
Well, we can. Well, if this doesn't push off too far, we can get the 30-minute again.
This thing's gonna go 100.
This is gonna rock it,
steam.
man. It's gone.
Oh.
It's gone.
Steam
You
for
fucking missed it. You fucking missed it.
I also want my journal to say 2,895 million.
Check this thing. I'm literally deleting the tab EJ on my charts. Fuck that. I'm not trading.
Oh, it's great. Go on, make another wick again, bitch, and then run again.
Yeah, make another one. Let's go.
This makes a nice lower wick. I'm just fucking getting it on the flip.
Let's take a look at the 15 now. So yeah, is it just tap 190? Oh, I've still got 10 pips left for 139.
Reject.
No, don't reject. Don't reject.
Yeah, it can reject. I got partials. A runner can do it.
Yeah.
I don't mind losing a runner.
No,
It's
well
lucky
done.
when it taps 100 pips. That's
At
for
least,
sure.
at least someone made money.
Yeah, exactly.
I got my first break even of the month.
That's the worst when you look back in your terminal and you've got a fucking plus like $1 from your fucking spread. Everyone's fucking made like, oh,
Plus-
fuck.
Plus $38.
$38. Yeah.
Brilliant.
So GJ, yeah, I mean, fuck. I hate the 4 hour being there. I'm not gonna lie. It's the same thing that happened yesterday. So I just don't think I'm gonna risk it. I'd rather just wait a further above. Whereas if you take a look at EJ, the 4 hour, yeah, the 4 hour's higher. So that's why I was kind of like, yeah, it must be a little bit better. Yeah, boy. So let's take a look again. Let's have some questions in the chat. Check EJ, bro. I've checked it, bro. Don't you worry. I've checked it. I've executed it. I'm waiting for this to reflip, and then it's gonna go 20 pips. So Goldie actually hit 1723. Was there entries in the 15? Ah, no top wick for people on the 15. It's a little bit of a fuck. The 30-minute time frame break the lows is probably the one here. How much was your stop? 25 pips for a 30 pip gain. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. So I've been looking at people's overall like streamers and traders Julys, and they haven't been the best, which is quite interesting. Apart from Roche's, obviously. I think it's maybe because of how much volume there is. It's just like we did a backtesting session yesterday, man, and I shit you not. Oh my god, like, it's actually weird to like there was a candle closure, right? Candle closure, and I was like, right, okay, let's just see how big the stops are on the previous. And it's like fucking 7 pips. Oh my god, I don't have to give a fuck about a top wick. All I need to do is break that low, and I'm in. So nice. Whereas now, like, you know, stops above the below the previous candle are like fucking 25 pips. We're quite used to it now, though. It's been like this for a long time now. It's not like it's been here for like a week. It's been here for like a good like 3-4 months now. Especially GJ. I remember the last time I put my stops below a previous candle that wasn't over 17 pips, 16 pips. What's Vincent eyeing up on Goldie then? You eyeing anything up, or you letting this day sort itself out? Would you say?
I might buy it, but I need to see some support for it. It's not gonna go all the way down again.
No.
I think you never know with gold.
That is true. That is
There's
true.
an imbalance around 17-18, just above it. Some balance in 5 minutes. Might go and tap that. Yeah, around there, just a little bit lower. Yeah.
Yeah, interesting.
It's around 17, 18.18 up to that wick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That could be a good little target for the sellers as well to keep it on.
Yeah. Top of that imbalance, and it might just react off of that back up. We'll see.
So that one there, let's take a look then. That was the quickest 10 pips I've had in a long time. Yeah, 8 pip stop. That was really nice. I was playing around with EJ yesterday, man, and it pushes a lot nicer than GJ. It just pushes. Like, I mean, not really for Roche's kind of example there, but for the most part, when it goes, which is quite nice. Okay, so 50 minutes broke the previous high. So if you got in there with stop loss below, how much was your stops? 23 pips. Still look at the 5 minute. Brian, have you seen anything on the 5 minute here? Break of that high.
Could be like a little celery play on the 5.
Yeah, here. Getting a little bit early.
Oh, on GJ. Oh,
On
I'm
GJ.
I'm talking on EJ.
No. Let's take a look. We'll have to see with GJ. I just really don't like the 4-hour resistance here. Look, it's tapped it. Like, it's actually tapped it now. It's just a little bit, a little bit on the scary side for me. Has anyone taken any GJ trades this morning? I mean,
Not me.
the good thing was the rejection wicks here was quite nice in the Asian highs, but it's just, yeah. I mean, maybe that 5 minute closure bullish. Wait for a low wick, tap and get in on the resistance. Like that.
I'm still in 2 trades from yesterday, so I'm going to take it easy today.
You in 2 trades from yesterday? Nice. Very nice. Do. Gold potential sells. Take a look. I think the sells kind of happened before, man. I think the sells happened at 18, 26, 25, that kind of area when we broke below, and the 30 minute broke the previous low. Yeah, boy. I think that's probably been completed. Wow, I got 50 people in Zoom. Holy shit. I'm probably gonna do the simulation session tomorrow, I think. Yeah, I've got a couple things to sort out in the house still, and then yeah, some little admin work. But I've actually sorted out this room a little bit more now. It's a little bit cleaner, and yeah, the fucking blinds are still shagged, but at least I put them back up, and I'm not sweating my ass off today, which is good. Yeah, let's take a look at AJ while I'm here. So the daily time frame is bullish. God, it's only 7:30. Jesus Christ, we've got ages.
Yeah, it's still early.
Yeah. Daily time frame is bullish. The 4 hour time frame is flipped and it's breaking the high of the previous, so looking good on the higher time frame perspective on AJ. The hourly time frame is pushing up. 30 minute and 15. Oh yeah, AJ looks pretty good, man. Pretty good. So you look to the left hand side, we have resistance here. Have we closed above it? Nearly. Oh mate, that candle there was pretty good. 645 came down, rejected, and pretty much tapped the resistance on the wicks there. Closed back bullish. How much was, if it wait for the low wick, how much would it have been to get in there? 13 pips. Yeah, stop loss to break even would be on that hour, a 4 hour flip. Nice. So now, I mean, it looks like it hasn't really closed above yet. Let's take a look to the left hand side as well. Yeah, 94 would be a good target, which would be like here for AJ. So yeah, I mean, let's look at the 30 minute time frame now. The 30 closed above. Yeah, 30 closed above. So yeah, I mean, pretty nice. Where would your stops be if you got in on the break at the high? 15 pips. 15 pips is a little bit beefy. What you could potentially do over here is wait for price to continue back down to 600, take a buy at the retest. Stop loss below the previous 11 pips. That could be quite nice. Yeah, we'll watch that. We'll see if that plays out over here. Oh, look at GJ. GJ not looking too good. Now, why is it, struggling? Because the 4 hour resistance, right? Look at it. Bosh. She tapped it to the T. So this is why I always say, just check out your 4 hours and your dailies and stuff, because those resistances are there for a reason. They're for big resistances. So don't get worked out on trying to take the buys right at that area. Try and get in maybe a little bit lower, and then you don't have that worry. I made that mistake yesterday, so yeah. Mainly because I thought we had volume, nice volume, but it was just before the news, and the news obviously moved it quite a lot. AJ tapped into daily res. Look at AJ res. Oh yeah. That's true. That'd be the only thing that's putting you off, right? So someone says daily res.
It's a strong level, yeah.
Yeah, that's a strong. That sucks. So that's when probably getting in a little bit lower was the best, because then if you got in a little bit lower here, so either there or yeah, there, I'd say. And then when you come up to these highs, you've taken partials and now you just let it run, right? You're like, yeah, I don't really care. I've already got in. That's the best thing to do, really, for the buys. I always say buys struggle to push hard. Sells do not struggle. So
Sells are so fast.
Sells are fast, man. If I could take a sell every day, I'd be happy, man. You're in an AJ position? I'm still in it, actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still in it. Came very close. But yes.
I was looking at it on the 1 minute. I think it just tapped that imbalance zone there. There, yeah.
No, rip. 5 minute GJ test is 20 period moving average. Nice. 20 period moving average. Is Goldie doing anything yet? No, it's still chilling around that area. So yeah. Another thing yesterday that I talked about with the group is the news. So the news came out, etc., and I think some people did take some big fat L's. And what I always say for this is not that you shouldn't do it at the start, but you should really, when you're starting to get profitable and you're actually starting to do well, you'll feel good about yourself. You'll be like, oh, I've done well. I've taken 7 trades. I've won 6 or 5, and I've lost 2, and I feel really good. I've managed risk on the losses, and I got my 10 pips in the wins. I'm feeling really good. And one thing like that, one little fuck up like that, because of news, could wipe out 60 pips if you got slipped. So you just lost 6 wins pretty much. Now overall that's gonna that's gonna damage you, especially as a new trader or who's doing well, because of the fact that you've just done so well, you've been really disciplined, and now you've just lost all of that gain, all of that hard work that you've done well with, all that discipline, just to one stupid news candle. So please, for the love of Jesus, yes, you can make a lot of money in the news as well, but you can also lose it. When you're starting off, don't do it, please. Just watch it, relax, and chill about, right? Because in the end, it's just gonna make you overtrade. Like if I took 6 losses, man, when I was younger, man, my head would be gone. I'd be straight fucking bashing like 20 trades trying to get it back. So that's why we say it. We don't say it because we can't be asked to trade news because we're scared of it, which I am also scared of it as well, especially from yesterday. Holy shit. But it's mainly for the point that it's just not good for your psychology, right? Psychology. I love you, mate. Gerard. So true, yeah, it's proper true. Trust, I hate buys. Just fucking leave buys alone, man. Just wait for the sells later. Literally. They just seem to be struggling a little bit, right? Seem to be struggling a little bit. And also, with the issue that you have with buys is that when the sells come into play, if it's not working out, you just get fucking fisted, man. The fucking sells come, your stop just gets twatted straight away. There's no hope. Go on, EJ. Go on, EJ. Go.
Yeah. Go. With that volume, just go.
With that volume. Go.
I'm not liking that tone of Brian.
Go,
It's like
motherfucker.
saying it while laughing.
Yeah, I just want to send you the 100 pip counter picture.
Yeah. 100 pip counter. That's great. Gold bias is still bearish right now, but it is at the big support, so I think you missed the little sell-offs here. If you missed them, you gotta wait a little longer now. A little longer. Soon I'll probably do a Magic Keys giveaway very, very shortly when we get some trades, man. I want to take some nice fucking London trades. Just right now, we haven't had any nice.
When's our stop loss hoodies coming?
Whenever you shut the fuck up.
Don't have it.
Don't ever. Precisely.
Yeah, exactly. Let's take a look at oh, GJ going. So yeah, could be nice, GJ. Look at the hourly, the 4 hour. Like a 4 hour res could be good now, because now we've tapped it, came back down, and now we should continue. Where do I want to take the buys? I still probably want them a little bit higher, maybe. We'll see, man. It's 50 minutes left for the 8 o'clock, so we'll see. We shall see. I got wicked out on GJ buys. Damn. Ooh, wicked out. Shit. Where was your stop? That 5 minute candle there would have scared the fuck out of me if I was in buys. Close bearish, top wick rejecting the highs, and close below. That'd be a little bit scary.
I'm just waiting for my EJ to stop running again. Here we go, GJ.
Fucking guy.
Here we go. Let's take a look on the 5. Yeah, there's no way we get in apart from the 15 closure there. How much was your stops? 17 pips. Stop wants to break even now. For sure. You gotta be a break even here, man. Max, how's July going so far? Pretty good. I mean, obviously I've been on holiday for half of it, so been going on holiday, so yeah, not too many. Let's take a look at AJ. So AJ has broken the high of the previous 15. It's closing right now. Interesting. Yeah, probably wait for this hourly to close. I think that'll be nice. I think that'll be nice for us. Do do do. Do do do.
Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh.
I'm so glad this room's not that hot today. Fucking hell, much better. Oh, it feels amazing.
It's nice
Oh,
though,
how
to have
hot
a
is
room like that with your desk with like windows, because then you get fresh air, man.
Exactly.
Sorry, Finn.
Should have heard them
How's
yesterday.
the
Finn.
new
It was like
place?
23 degrees and they were bitching like it was 50.
No, I was fucking.
Yeah, exactly.
I
It was
was
probably like 18 and a half.
Mate, I had to take a cold shower after. It was horrendous. You moved out, bro? Yes, I'm in Leeds. What was I gonna say over here? Are you in a trade now? Yeah, I'm still in my EJ one. I've closed 80%, so and I'm just waiting for this to rocket 100 pips. So if we got in on the closure there, the stop loss below after we made a low wick.
Now those 100 pip trades look good on the journal, eh?
Really good. Nah, I'm not putting on the deal. No one else took it apart from me and you.
I think Richey got cold feet on that trade and jumped. He didn't hit break even. I think he jumped, Max.
What do you mean I jumped?
What, I closed it?
Yeah, I think he got cold feet. Yeah.
He definitely,
Proper.
he definitely got fucking break
Break
even.
even.
Yeah, I saw the fucking candle go red. That means he's definitely out.
And as that 5-minute opened, I was just like, don't fucking just tap my break even now and go. And it did exactly that.
Yeah.
Unlucky.
So I got a question here. EJ already made 100 pips from Asian. Do you think it will go another 100? Probably not, man.
Settle down, boy.
What's all these questions with the 100 pip EJ
Yeah.
trade? Come on, man.
Let's take a look then. Actually, no. Make sure, guys, in the YouTube chat, make sure to send some charts in, man. I want to take a look at some charts. I want some nice ass charts.
Max, I think gold might be setting up if we retest that trend line.
What for continued?
something.
For continued
To go
sales?
down, yeah.
Go to the 15. The only issue is it's tapped that fucking support, man. I like getting it before it's done. Let's look at the 30. Yeah, 12 minutes left. Yeah, guys, make sure to send some charts. Have we got any in Telegram? Actually, we'll take a look. We'll take a look. No, we don't. Yeah, make sure to send some in. See what you guys. If you guys take any trades, you know what I always tell people is don't send me your trades that you've won on, right? Because you know you Gucci, you're fine. You need to send me the trades that you haven't done well on. What went wrong? We need to look at that. That is the point of looking at them, man. It helps out so much. Nothing yet, yeah. So AJ now, just because you know it's 10 minutes before the 8 o'clock open, I'd have this at break even. Actually, would you be up? Yeah, you'd be up at 10. If you're getting in there, oh, I'd be a little bit closer concerned just before the 8 o'clock. Entered a small swing trade on USD. It cannot fall below 1. Oh, 1 like at the whole number, yeah. That's a good point, man. Nothing that missed EJ. Yeah, it was quick and didn't call out, so it's fair. Let's take a look over here. So yeah, still waiting for something to happen. You know, I'm not gonna lie. Now look at the hourly. We're coming right up to this hourly resistance, so I'm just gonna be patient, waiting higher above. Good thing is we've got past this daily, which is nice. I'm quite happy with that. I need to find consistency. Any advice? You gotta be able to look at your losses. It's the one thing that'll help you. You gotta look at your losses. What's going wrong with them? And you'll find a correlation between a lot of them, right? And then when you get rid of them, you've got your profit left, and you've just got rid of all your losing trades. It's the best thing to do. And then when you're winning trades, you look at how to hold them on for longer, etc., etc. That's the whole process of it. Max, how do I join your Zoom live? You got to join on the mentorship link. It's just posted in the chat there by Nightbot. It's a full access to Zoom and you get London, NY. You get 2 simulation sessions a week, webinars, all the webinars I've ever done. Yeah, you get a shitload of stuff. Homework every 2 weeks. It's pretty hardcore. So EJ's coming back down. 9 minutes left.
Just be liquidity for London.
Yeah.
To push it up further.
Yep. Yeah, EJ buys might be the one. I might probably look for. 12 pips. 139 flat is 4 pips. 139 flat is pretty close. I want to know if anyone was in Linz's trade, put in Linz's gold buy stops. Did you get tapped in? Someone say, because oh my god, that'd be some sweaty ass balls. Do you know, like I was thinking, like anxiety. Imagine if, like, imagine like at the start she literally just goes, "Oh, I'm in now, guys," and then it does that. Oh, you can't say shit about it now. You just gotta take it on the chin.
Yeah, you got so dumb.
And then like someone's asking the chat, "How do we manage risk?" It's like 60 pips in drawdown.
You just cry.
Yeah. Just fucking hold it. Hold your fortress. Yeah, exactly. I didn't actually even see the spread count. What was the spread count when that news came out yesterday on like GJ and stuff?
Someone said the spreads were jumping like wildfire.
Yeah. That was aggressive, man. I was watching my MT5 and that shit was like, like launching up and down. I'm like, oh my god. What grinding and patient gets you? Wow, amazing. Amazeballs. So I want this EJ to stay on, but it looks like it might not. GJ also coming down over here. So, I mean, the one entry that I think was the only one that was realistic was probably this 15 close straight away. How did that look like on the 5? Let's take a look. Actually would have probably got break even. Yeah. So, yeah, useless. Useless. AJ starting to come back down, EJ starting to come back down, so interesting, man. I had a sell stop on gold and my order got filled at the bottom. What? No! Oh, at the bottom! Oh, no, no, no. Oh, that is the worst. Imagine having a sell stop on gold, you know the direction, you're ready, it runs like 100 pips and you get put in like 100 pips down. Oh.
Oh, check that rejection. Is there news or something coming
Just
out as
coming
well?
towards London, I think. I don't think there's... Nope.
There's a lot of volume coming in now.
Yep. Look at Goldie. If the hourly closes below, oh. Interesting. Sell gold to 1688. Sell it down. Looking like this GJ could be okay for 8 o'clock to see. Okay, broken the high right now. Again, let's take a look at the 5 minute. Oh, that could be interesting. 4 minutes left. I'd rather wait for support to form at some point, to be honest. Yeah.
I think London's just hopefully just pushes all the like pound gain and EJ and all that just out of these ranges into more cleaner ranges.
Yeah. Oh yes. Let's give it a signal. Sell it. Oh, 4 minutes before the open. Oh. Has it broken it yet? Nope, not yet. Not broken it yet. Drop a like, we're waiting for London Open, clean setups. Yeah, man, make sure to drop a like, squad. All that good stuff. You know the score. I'm getting back into the YouTube streaming. My best guess, GJ sell-off at the market open seems to be happening a lot with the initial sell-off. We'll see. All I know is the hourly's closing right at hourly res, so. So, 3 minutes left. Broken the low. Let's see what it has to offer. I'll buy it 1688. Okay, oof. Oof. Looking juicy. Looking juicy. 2 minutes left. Coming down to 1721. Yeah, these market conditions are a little bit shit. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like the zones. Told you, it's a holiday. It's the fucking holiday. So EJ and AJ all gonna close. The 30 minutes gonna close bearish on EJ. 30 minutes gonna close bullish on AJ, and GJ is also bullish. So, but as I say, it's right at that level there. So, it's not the best. Let me just check something. What will be TP for GJ buys? If so, we just look to the left, right? So let's take a look. If you got into buys, I mean, is it now? Are you looking for buys now, or you mean above here, 400? If you look at 400, then, you know, look to the left. The next level of resistance is probably going to be up here, 164,700 level. Because that's where price reacted off before. So that's quite a nice zone, man. It's quite a nice zone. GJ coming up.
There's the open.
Break of the highs. How much would your stops be? 13 pips. I'm not going for it. I'm just gonna watch it. I don't trust these buys for some reason, because the hourly resistance is right there, boy. But it has broken the high. 15 closed bullish, 30 closed bullish. So let's see if it can continue. AJ pushing down, EJ pushing down over here. Above the level market. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Look at Goldie. Oh my god, nice. What, Bri?
Got that GJ.
Did you on the break of the high?
Yeah, push, you piece of shit.
Stop was
I'll
9
tell you
pips.
why? If you look at, you're on the 15, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just move your
There we
little
go.
thing there.
Hmm?
Just move your, yeah, just leave it like that.
Yeah.
I had a level like here max from the daily that I pulled in across the
Bye.
level. So I got a closure. Yeah, I'm already out, but I got there at the 500. See.
See you, Caitlin. Bye. Love you.
You on, let me just move this thing. Daily, yeah. So that's,
Wait,
why
yeah,
I got
the
my,
daily.
let me just check
Oh.
my chart. 4 hours, sorry, Max, 4 hour.
Let's take a look.
Sorry, mate. You pull it through from the left, just go a bit more left.
Yeah.
Go.
Or furthermore.
Yeah, you see there's a bit of a, if you pull from here all the way through, I think. Just match it up
All the way from here.
under here. No.
Oh,
Go too far.
here.
Just under that one. Just under that support right there. Then it pulls all the way through, and that gave me a closure above on the 15. Why won't this remove? The drawings won't remove. You must just remove those. Okay, there they go.
So break
So,
it
yeah.
high, stop loss below 10 pips.
So my closure was there, right? You see,
Beautiful. Very, very nice. Beautiful. Looking like AJ did it as well. Let's look at the 15 now. Yeah, broke the 15 highs in AJ. Ah, man, I fucking hate London. It's so impulsive, it fucking hurts.
Yeah.
Just take a fucking break of something and you're gonna be okay for the most part. Let's take a look at AJ. If you go down the break of the high, stop loss below 12 pips. Wow. Wowzer. Wowzer smelzer. I was in gold sales yesterday at 1742, which I just kept it. Oh, wow. 1742? Shit, boy. So looking like GJ's come back now. But that's all you wanted, right? You wanted the push, so you got the push. You gotta get the little push in. And that's it. I'm in gold. Oh, Joey boy. Where do you get in on the break of the low? Look at that tap to 1725.7 there. That you were talking about, Roche. Yeah. That was tasty. Oh my god, Goldie.
If it pushed up a little higher, then I would have gotten into that, but it just needed one more bullish candle.
Yeah. For sure. Secure W on gold, nice. Hey, new FX live streamer. Asian boy, I've seen you before, hello. Too big stop loss for me to get into gold? Yeah, how much was the stop if you got in the 5 there with that closure? 17, 18 pips. Nice. 1723.5 you got in? Oh wow, yeah, you got in there. Very nice. And there's the push. Wow. Traced all the way back. How far did that run? 20 pips.
We didn't close above the 1 hour support resistance.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Did that not worry you, Brian?
What was that? Sorry.
The 1 hour resistance right here. Did that not worry you?
No, because I had a closure above the 4 hour. You see.
Oh yeah,
Well,
on the 50. Yeah, but it's
see,
on
so
the,
it's
only on the
stronger.
15 though.
Yeah, but remember, you're playing with high time frame, small time frame. The high time frame will always take that, right? Trump it.
Minutes salary after Asian V test. Yeah. The DXY just hit yet another 52-week gain. Oh, let's take a look at crypto again.
We are back in ASEAN range.
Yeah. It's quite a nice rejection as well. EJ is probably the one that I'd want to take, to be honest. Let's look at the 4 hour now. Let's look at Bitcoin. BTC USD. It's at 19,000, still holding it. I saw my phone was like £16,000. Like, oh my god. That is heartbreaking for people. Wow, look at that 30-minute candle right now. Holy shit, it's been open for 6 minutes. Look at that. Oh. Damn. Sorry, I'm out of this trade as well. I went out ages ago.
Yes.
So, keep going, girl. You got a nice drop there, man. 15 pips, some shit. Nice. That was tasty. Do, do. 7 minutes left of this candle, and yeah, it's doing what I thought it was gonna do near these areas. To be honest, look at that hourly now. Tap to the highest point at 164, 460, and now it's starting to fuck around. Fill a steak for tea tonight, Joe. For sure. Them gold cells? Oh my god. Price action these days is not easy, correct? Or maybe I've got dumber. It's just because there's so much going on in the world right now that it's just it's so not volatile. It's just got so much momentum. So you'll see a lot of traders right now doing really, really well on breaks of highs. impulse in it. Just fucking take it when there's volume. You'd be good. It's not the way I really lay it with Raja. So that was nice. I mean, when you got the drive, it was good. But 15-minute closed, weak bullish. I just didn't like it, and also the hourly didn't close above. The last time I took that was just not really nice. So how was the 30 look again? 30 was okay. The 30 was okay. The salary. My stops are 20 pips and that secured half at 30 and full at 50 pips. Nice. Oh, that was good. Now that is nice. That is nice for real. Just took on the 5-minute close. Oh yeah, like this one here. Down there. Oh, the next one there, yeah. Fire, man. So yeah, looks like my little EJ buy, but apart from that, I don't think too much going on yet. Still got like an hour left, so we'll see. I didn't like the level of the left-hand side. Yeah, me too, man. Nice 40 pips AJ buys, 1 hour candle closure. On the break of the 15 high, celery play, yeah. Now that wasn't too bad, I think. Let's look at the 30 minute on the left. Yeah, that's a little nicer, I'd say. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, that was nice, man. AJ was the trade there, I think. On the break of the highs. Break of the highs here. Stop loss below. That was the one, for sure. I wonder how people close though here, Brian. Did you close like at 20 or did you just hit 10?
I closed at 0.500, mate. Just closed the trade pool. Bang. I'm busy marking up a chart now while I did it. And the only reason why I got my closure above my level, right? I understand you guys are worried about the 1H. You still had Asian highs which are untested, and we're coming into volume, so it's going to be impulsive, right? And we're stepping lower time frames. We're stepping up. 5 minute, 50 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, right? So I just want to, someone did ask in the big group, so I'll just label up my chart and say why. But that's why it's impulsive. We had to go to the Asian highs. We got a closure above my 4 hour level. So that was, me taking my trade. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Nice. Asian has. Look at the last 2 5-minute candles, wild 2 candles. Dude, look. Oh my god.
I got my 10 on EJ.
Legend.
Nice. On the break of
5 minutes.
Uh-huh.
That second rejection, that second bullish candle, that one.
Break of the high.
No, the flip of the candle. So,
Nice. He got it. He got his 10.
yeah, finally.
EJ, holy shit. So look like there's good opportunities today. A lot of impulsive ones. I like the EJ. I got my EJ little buy, but yeah, it's based on the 5 minute flipping here. Strong closure above rejection. That was nice. I love to see our me and Brian like when we were eyeing this up, because I wasn't even looking at it, and then I looked at the 5 minute. He was like, "Whoa, quickly go to the right, EJ." Fucking.
I got in a little bit too late. Mine was a little bit too late.
I was fucking putting my magic keys on, and that motherfucker was like there. I went, oh my god! I missed. I was like a second off. I was gonna miss it myself. So that's what I'm saying, guys. You got to remember, you know, I'm not gonna. Sometimes, you know, I gotta do it for myself. And that one there, I had about a second to get that motherfucker on. If I'm talking and fucking around and go, right guys, I'm getting in here, stop us here, I've just lost the trade. I've just missed the trade. So sometimes I gotta do that if it's on the 5. But for the most part, I've been doing this for months now, so we'll be good. But right now, man, I think yeah, it's generally just a lot of volume at 8 o'clock for the buys. Nice sell on gold, yeah. They were good sell-offs. I think that 30-minute break of the low there was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Was that with the 15 bearish closure as well? No. So, but nice rejection there. 17.28. That was beautiful. Bro, can you analyze UJ? I can in a sec, but I'd rather you send me a chart and then I can take a look at what you're seeing, my man. Where should I put my TP and GJ? I got in at 164.265. Have you taken any off yet? Have you taken any off? Yes, 50%. Oh, nice. I'd probably close into the. Let's look at the 5. Oh, the 5 looks pretty good. You could be okay over here. Look at EJ. Oh, there's the move. Look at the 50-minute time frame now. Just close bullish. Yo, man, I had a bloodbath this month. Any tips? I think the tips are in your trades, right? Why has there been a bloodbath? If you have to look back and there's fucking 9 trades taken in one day, that's probably a good thing to start. Did you over risk on some? I tell you now, every single trade that I over risked when I was younger, I'd lose. I don't remember one trade that I've over risked when I was younger, like putting a double lot or a triple lot, that I won ever. Because it's all based on your psychology and you just taking it emotionally. So I think looking back at the trades you took, sometimes I'd stare at my screen and go, why the fuck did I take these trades? Like, there's literally not even an entry. I'm just being a retard. I'm literally just throwing money on the roulette table. Like, completely. So you gotta, you just gotta go through it. Don't go through emotionally, go through, facts based, and you'll be good. DJ making a bottom wick. Not really. Breaking the highs now. Shoom! So if you got in there, yeah, stop loss is just fucking ridiculous. Well, I took 2 trades a day, and it was my plan, but it ends up against me this month. That's okay then. So then you got to look at the trades you took, right? Did you take gold? What's your win rate on gold? Were you winning more on one pair than you were the other pair? How about focus on that pair then for a little while? Were your losers bigger than your winners? All those kind of things. That's all the things you gotta ask yourself. Are you gonna run one here, Roche? He's gone. He's gonna drink his beer.
Ooh, sorry, I'm back. That is nice. I'm loving this now. 30 pips. Are you guys? Is the runner still in?
No. We got hit out.
No, my GJ closed and I was happy, so that's fine.
My runner.
Because then it came all the way down again anyway.
Yeah. That was good then. 500 whole point. That was tasty.
I think this is where we're gonna start coming down again.
A GJ or EJ?
EJ.
Both actually. I think both will eventually come down.
Yeah. I'm gonna look at the 5 minutes. I don't see any bearish. Like this is. Maybe I must just close here.
it's a good, let's just say it's a good place to take profits, right? If you look at here on the hourly, like, you know,
No.
if you had all this
No.
move here, you gotta take it off here, man.
Yeah, no, I closed full, yeah.
Exactly. But for the other people in the chat, like, you know, don't be just too greedy about it. If you want to hold some on because you think it has enough volume to break it, then great. But also remember, look how much it's ran. Like it's ran quite a bit.
And it's on that 1 hour resistance now.
Mm-hmm.
And 4 hour as well.
Yeah. What time is that at? 7 o'clock? 7:50. That was quite nice in the break of the highs there, I'm not gonna lie. That right at 7 o'clock. Just take a look over here. That was quite a nice one. Is that on the 30 minutes? Look at the hourly. Yeah, that's quite nice. I quite like this trade here. That's tight. That's pretty nice, not gonna lie. So GJ relaxing now. Yeah, so I think now you gotta wait for some either support to form, or some sells later on below certain levels. Below 163,800 probably for me. Which it looks like it probably can come to pretty quickly. Price action today is crazy. It's just a lot of volume, right? I don't think the price action is too hard. It's just a lot of volume. And the zone to the left is fogging me out, especially in GG it was. But you know, I always say, like, if the zone to the left is nasty, then just leave it be. The clean zones are so much easier to trade by far. Right, I'm gonna quickly go get a drink. I'm gonna have a monster actually. I'm gonna quickly get one because I fucking need to wake up over here. I'll go get one. That'll be 2 minutes. Actually, I'm gonna get a coffee.
Guys, you took this trade on AJ?
Sorry?
I said, did you took this trade on AJ?
AJ, no. I just took EJ, that's all.
I missed EJ.
You missed it.
Yeah, I don't have my MetaTrader open at the time.
Did you catch AJ?
No.
Oh.
That's I just come back to my PC, and that's why I asked you. I saw this TPN stop loss on the screen.
Oh no, I don't know why. That's just I think someone took it. I don't know who.
GG is full of wicks. Wick up, wick down.
Yeah, that's when you don't want to be in a trade when it's doing that. Unless you're swinging from a nice low position or high position, then it's fine and you don't feel it, right?
Yo, Brian.
It's wild, eh?
Yo. Yo. Sounds like you up for a weekend, man.
That oak is amped for life. He's always so energetic. Yes, his life's us nuts.
The stuff he said.
He's crazy, man. He's crazy. That
Yo.
guy.
It's funny. Sounds fun though. What courses are you playing?
We're just going to play the Mashi course on Friday,
Yeah.
and then we're going to play the Gary Player Langebaan course both the other 2 days.
Oh,
Because
nice.
we're staying on the estate, right? So it's just easy.
Yeah, so it's no driving around except.
Our courses are expensive here compared to like Joburg and stuff.
Yeah, well, I know they're in George, which
Yeah.
is literally golf headquarters.
Yeah, because that's where I
Oh,
used to
okay.
play a lot when I moved to Sedgefield for 2 years,
Oh, yeah.
the holiday hours.
Yeah.
I played like what's it? It's King David and George Samola. Samola's my favorite course.
Yeah. So Molo's are nice now, right?
Yeah. I don't like
Yeah.
Pazula. My father-in-law is the managing director of Pazula Estate,
Okay.
but I don't like the course. I've played Pinnacle Point a lot, too windy, but it's Obi Pinnacle Point. That's Mossel Bay side.
Yeah, I know that.
But
And
the wind challenging.
like- have you played Kingswood before?
Yeah, Kingswood's nice. I played it
Yeah.
when I played it the first time. It was a bit blind because you don't know the course,
Yeah.
but it was actually quite good. I quite enjoyed it. We played it with 2 youngsters that lived on the estate.
Okay.
It was nice,
You golfers,
Yeah,
man.
Kingswood is nice,
Yeah.
and then George as well. George Country Club's not bad.
very good, very good. Yeah, it's like fucking soccer players. Trip and cry.
Look at that, comes back to your entry and fucking launches again. Holy shit, I fucking hate this. Huge. Leeds Golf Centre is quite nice, some good feature holes. I need to play some golf, man. Everyone talks about it. Some lads on the holiday were there and they were just with all their mates and they all played golf. It's like 35 of them.
It's the best.
But I said, like, what if someone's really fucking wank and everyone, like just, you have to skip a couple
then
holes
you-
or something.
You get a lot of fines, so then you get getting pretty wasted.
Yeah, golf trips never about the golf.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I gotta get into it. I might go ask 10 pips daily for it. For fucking to teach me how to play, because he plays. He plays.
Is he good at golf?
I would play. He plays. He seems to play every fucking
Plays a
day.
lot.
So yeah, he
Yeah.
must
Yeah,
be
it must be good.
Yeah. Might get 15 celery on gold. 2 minutes left for this closure. The 5 minute. 5 minute close bearish. Hey, I'm new here. Hey, I am new here. How does it work? We are trading currencies, my man. And we look at EJ, AJ, GJ, and gold. Yeah, at the moment, right now, through London session, we normally trade through breaks, and that's all there pretty much is, unless we get closures back in zones. So we trade from zone to zone and breaks. And yeah, we do this London NY, and we do it every single day. Monday to Friday. Look at EJ, man. Oh, yeah. I wanted that fucking break of the high there at 8 o'clock. You have to be on the ball so fucking quickly at 8 o'clock. Like, you literally have to be like fucking staring at one pair, and if not, you've missed it and the other pair's launched.
Yeah, exactly, 100%.
The hourly, yeah. I'm in Spain without S. You're in pain. So for me, the entries, obviously that EJ one that we took on the 5 is quite nice. The that one for me there was the one. 138961.
Celery.
Yeah. Yeah, and that was with the hourly, making the low wick and breaking the high. That was perfect for me. I mean, the break of the high on GJ was the 1. Stop loss below it was okay. Bro, when was your last GJ trade on stream? I don't know actually. It's been a while. It's been a while actually taking a trade on stream, like, because I've been on holiday and stuff. For the most part, the trades have been slowing down in London and just been NY really. It's because I can't fathom getting in. I mean, I'm gonna do it when it comes and it gives me an opportunity, but getting into breaks of highs and breaks of lows when there's not much of a bottom wick and your stop loss is 20 pips near the previous candle, it's still a barrier that I've got to just fucking go for. I'd rather just wait for the price to just give me a nice 10-12 pip stop. But it looks like for the most part you're never going to get that in these conditions, so you just got to wait for and just take your 16 to 20 pip stops really. So 50 minutes closed bullish above, 30 minute also interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting. Let's look at the 4 hour. And the only issue is the hourly, the left hand side. It's okay actually. Let's look at the 4 hour now. Interesting. Only issue is the stop. Nice analysis, but you're not coming to take a trade, sir. I already taken a trade today, so. But yeah, with GJ I'm not for sure, especially when it's at hourly resistance. I didn't like it, man. So. But now it's looking okay. Let's look at the 5 minute time frame. Interesting. Let's look at the. Yeah, this 4 hour time frame should potentially come back to these highs, which would be 165. 165 would be reasonable. Okay, breaking the highs right now. Stop loss would be 8 pips. There's 5. Champion Pips on YouTube, he's traded London, he's pretty good. Found him yesterday. Yeah, man, he's good. He's doing really, really well, and he works well with London because he takes very much impulsive trades. Just takes sell stops, buy stops, not on closures, just on breaks of levels, which works well on London, right? Very, very well. Beautiful. So if you're going on that break of the high, the issue is that price can push down quite heavily, back down to like 165 or 500 if it wants to. So it's going to be interesting. So 50 minute close bearish on Goldie. That hourly time frame, yeah, I got pretty close to them lows, didn't it? 4 hour time frame coming down. It's close to the monthly flip for GJ Max.
Oh.
Let's take a look. What? My flips are there. The monthly flips are miles away. Got tapped to break even. Yeah, nice, Rory and Tom. Good lads. Good opportunity though. How much did you get up by?
I didn't take that.
No, but the two lads did. Tom and
Yeah.
8 pips, so it's not bad.
I didn't take it because of 750.
Yeah. Right there.
What's up, mother suckers?
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Jason's in the building.
You're directing traffic again today, Jess.
Ah.
Oak looks tired. Oak looks tired.
I am, man. Listen, how do I stop the camera from coming on?
Stop the camera from coming on.
Yeah, I could be having a stripper here next to me and how catch me in the act.
Yeah, I'd say looking at the JPY pairs, don't just rush into it. Just keep a look at GJ. Just also go through the motions of GJ as you would on AJ and EJ, but don't trade it. Just yeah, just stick with AJ. Sorry, stick with GJ and go through it. And just look at the other pairs because they move pretty similar. Yeah. Jason. People in the chat say Jason.
Did you guys take any trades this morning?
I took an EJ buy. I think some people took GJ buys at like 8 o'clock open. And someone took EJ buys as well. Roche took EJ buys here.
I saw nothing on my phone. I didn't.
You
see
saw
any-
nothing? Yeah, there wasn't. It wasn't the best.
Is it? I saw no potentials.
It was just very much volume based. Just take a trade when it breaks a high at 8 o'clock and you're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. So yeah, I mean for NY it's going to be interesting to see how far this pushes back down to, but it's probably going to, right? So, and then we'll wait for some support and then ride it back up. I like it when there's more support because you can have a target. And then ban them if the legend naked HD.
Good morning, crazy people.
Good morning, good morning.
My guy.
Sashin, what have you been this morning?
I'm here, mate. I've just got tunes on. I'm sitting,
What did you take anything?
relaxing. Yeah, I took one gold loss and then one EJ win.
Nice. What EJ win did you get?
I got the buys.
Where at?
The 5.
Here?
Next one. Next one up. That there. It was risky as fuck.
Nice.
I actually took
It's risky
GG
as
cells.
fuck.
You took
DJ
GJ
sells.
Yeah.
How the
Crazy
fuck did
boy.
you get that?
To be fair, I was trying to do that on gold. and
Go
slapped me silly.
GG 15. So it was there. It was.
I sell gold last night, 2 o'clock in the morning.
It was on the. Yeah. So this is what I had. I'm just annotated. It was quick, man. It was approaching the hourly. So obviously I had that area over there, and then I had an untested over here. So we rejected, and then I took it on the flip 10 pipas to there. And
Nice.
that happened. It was just quick, man.
I'm in gold max again. I'm up like 13 pips.
Oh,
Just took the
shit.
double bottom on the 5.
You took a buy here.
Aggressive.
Yeah, just put stops below that current 5 and then break the high.
Nice little push.
Just talking that small res there, and obviously if it does
Yeah,
break
yeah.
that.
Nice, man. Oh, look at GJ's gonna push again. I'm waiting for this motherfucking GJ to come back down and relax for NY. I also took sales but got caught. Yeah, on GJ I think. Yeah. Right. Yeah, meet the baby again. So yeah, I think to be honest with you, this is gonna go to 165 pretty easily today. Pretty easy later on, I think. It's gonna be pretty nice. Mine's trying to be a. Can you please explain gold 30 minute? What do you mean explain it? Yep, closure below. Bearish overall. 5 minute time frame looking like it's making a little bit of support. But I think for me, if I was looking back at this, yeah, this closure here was okay. The issue is the support is right there. However, this when price comes and retests, so can you see if I draw a line there? Price broke down, came back up, tapped this level to the left, then 5 minute close bearish. I think that was probably the nicest one for me. Yeah, and that's also 15-minute break and lower the previous pretty much. Look at EJ, oh my god. Look at these fucking stinking ass candles, man. That's tasty. That's bloody gorgeous. See you guys, NY. See you guys. Sasha's vibing.
Oh Jesus!
What song were you playing?
Fuck, you know the hollaback one.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
the house version.
Ah, banging song.
So hard.
What a tune that is.
By Dot and Life or something.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got that one. It's good shit. Ain't no hollaback girl.
Yeah.
Mate, the OG.
I'll show you where I got slapped.
Good. Where did you get slapped?
Yeah.
On gold.
I'll show you. Yeah, go 5 minute. Oh shit. Right. There. Oh. Sorry. Right there. So you form support. You had the high. You had form support. You had the high tight. You had 15-minute support here, right? And you had this gap up here, and I was like, right, the quick scalp, even though it bearish trend, quick scalp up to here.
Yeah.
Close there, and I got in, and it just went zoop. I was like, oh.
Yeah, because that was that. I was because that's what Roche is looking for sells. You want price to come back up to here.
Yeah.
And then to take the sells back down.
Yeah.
But
that was the double entry. It was like, right, because we did this on GJ a couple of days ago, like 2 or 3 times. It was counter, but the range was big enough to scalp to 10 or 12.
Yeah.
And then it just went, I'm not gonna come up here anymore. I'm just gonna go zoom.
Yeah.
But should have kind of realized, because if you look at this whole trend down, so like this one barely came up, this one barely came up.
Yeah, because so like much pressure.
Trend is too strong. So I should have realized before I took this that okay, the market cycle is right. Don't take these. Look at the gap here, like this big fill, and yeah.
Yeah.
So
for sure.
Silly one, but.
Yeah, so it's funny that innit, when there's enough volume that it doesn't get tested.
Yeah, you see on GJ now, like it's just fucking. Actually, GJ's alright. EJ is like complete, just
fucking rocket.
Bye bye, goodbye.
Shock that Roche. I love that though. I fucking love that. Me and Brian just rinsing the shit out of Roche, going, you didn't take the EJ trade because he got a break even. My guy comes and slaps us with a fucking like 40 pip move after.
Roche, have you been putting dot ones on your FTMO?
Putting what?
Dot ones. Dot one.
Yeah. 0.01.
Even those probably at 10 pips.
Fuck a 0.01. No, that's wasting your time. No,
you have to, because of the trading days.
Yeah.
Fucking just don't trade.
No, because then it cancels the account. You have to put 10.
You have to have active trading days.
Yeah. So you just put. Yeah, if you pass it before, you just put dot one every day until the 10 trading days are done, and then it registers.
Yeah, and you can put 0.01 on Bitcoin on weekends.
Can you? If you don't have enough time, shit, put on Bitcoin. You put 0.01 on and realize that fucking absolutely dumps like fucking thing.
That's a clever idea, because otherwise you'd miss 2 days.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Roche's becoming a Bitcoin trader now.
I never thought about that.
Sachin, when it's a breakout of the Asian zone, it will most of the time just retest the Asian lows wicks rather than the support broken.
Let me just have a look at that.
Because it tapped Asian.
Spiros. That's Alex.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Alex Spiros.
And it's breakout off the Asian zone almost. Just retest the Asian lows wicks rather than the support broken.
That's where it tapped.
Yeah. Man's trying to be here. I miss that guy.
guys, I'm gonna leave off here. I'll check you guys in New York.
Yeah,
Cheers, man.
boy.
Cheers.
See you later, brother.
See you later.
See you later. See you later, alligator. Yeah, I think I might wait as well because we've launched. So the moose.
Is that a teacup on EJ? Sasha, is that teacup?
Yeah, it's a teacup, man.
Teacup,
That
man.
is a fucking
So we
teacup.
the ear. So we can get it into the ear.
Teacup.
Classic.
So that's like what, Brian? The fourth time now?
Yeah, we've seen a few different patterns, Max. When you were on holiday, we saw patterns that we've never seen for a long time. We're like, oh, we see a teacup. There's a teacup again. Seen so many patterns this last week.
What the fuck is that? Oh my god.
They're not teacups, just all cock patterns, okay?
Yeah, what website was that?
Oh my god. Nice square bell that. Oh, that's great. It's a fucking square bell. It's a fucking Minecraft knob. So yeah, I think for me today, the trades on GJ that I think were reasonable were, I think, Bry's with the volume, break of the highs, and you quite like the dojis here as well, don't you?
Yeah, I love that. That's
break of the highs, stop loss below. So this one
not
here,
scared of a doji candle.
yeah, that was rather nice. Goldie, I think the only really way to get in was the break of the 30-minute lows here was okay. Because the rejection to the highs as well was rather nice. It was also breaking the low of the previous hourly. AJ break of the highs with the 50-minute closures bearish, weak bearish, break of the highs here, and it's exactly the same for EJ. Break of the highs here. Yeah. That's always like a nice little trade to do. I think I was focusing on GJ really, to be honest with you, or gold or nothing, to be honest. But that was the one I think, yeah, because this zone here for me is enough zone from here to here. There,
For sure.
that was nice. So yeah, thank you very much for coming on, guys. I know I couldn't call any out, but trust me, it's gonna get there. I'm just getting all warmed up again, and yeah, we'll be good. We'll be good. So thank you so much for coming on, squad, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, man. See you later, guys. I'll see you guys at NY session. We'll do sim tomorrow. I won't do it on Fridays. See you later, squad. Peace out, man. Adios, amigos. See you later, alligator.